Simplify, assume all variables represent positive real numbers. Don't mind if I do. Most common mistake with this is students do the 3/4 power and they write it as a fourth root. Well, if 9 was a perfect fourth, that would totally work. But 9 is not a perfect fourth. So we can't use that method. So we can't use number 9 on the board. But notice we are dividing two things of the same base. What number is that on the board? Number 2. And if we're dividing two things of the same base, what do we do to the exponents? Subtract them. Yeah. 3/4 minus 1/4 is 1/2. What is 9 to the 1/2? Yeah. 9 to the 1/2 is the square root of 9, which is 3. Fancy. Questions? Sometimes students try to cancel the 9s from the get-go. Can you cancel the 9s from the get-go? No, because Aunt Sally will come to you and find you while you sleep. Exponents before division. Don't cancel the 9s. B. What format is B currently in? Of all those exponent rules. Number 4. We have a product to a power. So that says each term of the product receives the power. So we have a product to a power. Each term of the product receives that power. Luckily for us, since the variables are positive, we don't have to worry about absolute values. We would have in B, because notice that 5/2, well, that means you're taking a square root because 2's in the denominator there. But we're okay. Now what format is each part of this product in? Not 9, not 8, 3. You have a power to a power. If you have a power to a power, what do you do with the powers? Multiply them. What is 2/5 times 5/2? 1. You don't have to write the 1. Times. What is 6/5 times 5/2? What? 3. X times y cubed. For this problem, if you distributed the square through and then wrote x plus y, here is who's going to visit you tonight. I can't get any closer. I should go see a dentist. That's nice. That's my cousin Johnny. It is not my cousin. I have no idea who that is. All right. You have a binomial being squared. Since you have a binomial being squared, what do you have to do? No. No. What do you put on a turkey before it goes in the oven? Well, and then on top of that, foil. Good job. So if we were to foil, what is x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2? Actually, I'll just write it all out. And then outer will give you x to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2. What does inner give you? Times x to the 1/2. I'm going to put it in alphabetical order, but that's correct. Plus last y to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2. So remember, when you FOIL, you should see that little smiling face. And if not, you can see this face again. There he is. Look out, he's so happy. Screen capture that? Yeah, capture that screen. Oh, look how happy he is. Yay. There we go. That's not creepy. All right. What is x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2? Remember, if you're multiplying two things of the same base, what do you do to the exponents? Who was supposedly the first man? Adam. You add them together. So what is x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2? What is 1/2 plus 1/2? A whole. X. These guys here, you cannot combine x to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2 because the bases are different. But how many x to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2 do you have? Two of them. So 2x to the 1/2 y to the 1/2 plus, what is y to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2? Y.